Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join a group on Roblox using a tablet. And the same steps pretty much work on your smartphones too, so make sure to follow along. First of all, launch open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are logged in with your account. After you are inside, click on the More button at the bottom right corner. And then click on Communities on the next page. In the Community tab, go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon and write down the name of the community or group you want to join into. Once you see the search result for your name, go ahead and select one of the groups and then tap on the group. Now on the next page, click on Join Community at the top right, and you have successfully joined into the group or community on Roblox. If the group is private or requires approval, you may see a Request to Join button instead. After requesting, you might need to wait for the group owner or admin to approve your request. So once you've joined into a group, the group page should now show you as a member. So that's how you can easily join into a group on Roblox on your device, whether you are using tablets or smartphones. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.